Hello. Today we will learn how to say two-word commands in English. Go away. Go away. Go away. Come in. Come in. Come in. Be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Help me. Help me. Help me. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Look out. Look out. Look out. Or watch out. Watch out. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Take care. Take care. Take care. No way. No way. No way. Call me. Call me. Call me. Stay here. Stay here. Stay here. Forget it. Forget it. Forget it. Well done. Well done. Well done. Me too. Me too. Me too. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. Not now. Not now. Not now. Relax now. Relax now. Relax now. Goodbye then. Goodbye then. Goodbye then. Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Stay strong. Stay strong. Stay strong. Come back. Come back. Come back. Thanks all. Thanks all. Thanks all. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Take this. Take this. Take this. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Listen up. Listen up. Listen up. Try again. Try again. Try again. Drive safe. Drive safe. Drive safe. Sleep tight. Sleep tight. Sleep tight. Smile more. Smile more. Smile more. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Keep calm. Keep calm. Keep calm. Work hard. Work hard. Work hard. Play nice. Play nice. Play nice. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. Thanks for watching, everyone. To learn more English phrases, watch this video right here.